In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Xero with Zapier. This guide is perfect for those looking to streamline their workflow by automatically connecting Xero with other applications. Integrating these platforms can save you precious time and reduce manual data entry, making your workday more efficient. So let's get started. First, head over to Zapier. Open your web browser and navigate to the Zapier website. If you don't have an account yet, you might want to sign up, but I'll assume you already have one. Once you're logged in, find the Create button at the top of the page. It's usually pretty visible and marked with a plus sign. Click on Create and you'll see a list of options. Among these, choose Automated Workflows, which allows you to set up Zaps that automatically perform tasks for you, saving you time and effort. Next, you'll want to click on Trigger. A trigger is an event that starts your Zap. Think of it as the initial domino that sets off the entire automation process. In the Trigger search box, type in Xero and make sure you spell it correctly to avoid any problems finding the correct application. After finding Xero in the list, go ahead and click on it. This will set up Xero as the trigger app for your new Zap. Now, Xero will start the chain of actions you plan on automating. It's time to move on to the action step. Action is what happens once the trigger is activated. In the action search box, type Salesforce to look for this app. Once you locate Salesforce, click on it. This will set up Salesforce as the app that will respond when Xero kicks off the automation. Now you'll need to revisit Xero, scroll back, click on Xero, and then click on Choose an Event. This part is important because you need to select an event that suits your specific needs. Different users have different business needs, so choose the event that works best for you. Once you've selected your event, you'll need to sign into your Xero account. That's where the magic happens, allowing Zapier to access the data necessary to perform these automated tasks. After setting up Xero, click on Salesforce again. Repeat the process by clicking Choose an Event for Salesforce and pick the event that aligns with your workflow. Once again, everyone's business needs are unique, so choose what benefits you the most. Finally, you'll need to sign in to your Salesforce account. Just like with Xero, allowing Zapier access to Salesforce is crucial for the Zap to operate smoothly. There you have it. You've now successfully integrated Xero with Zapier. With this setup, you'll have a seamless automated workflow that can save you time and effort while reducing errors. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.